In order to watch the video you need to watch for today's lesson, you're going to have to log into MediaCast. All the steps to do so are right here on this slide, but I'm going to make a quick video to show you how to walk through it just in case you're having some issues. So the first thing you need to do is open the link to MediaCast. You're going to do that by clicking on this image here and the link. This will take you to the MediaCast website, where you're going to log in with your school credentials. Kind of like how you log into a computer at school. Once you log in, you're going to search for the video. So if I look here, it tells me exactly what to search for, Cortez and Pizarro. I can copy that and paste it into the search bar, or I can just type it in, being very careful of the spelling. Once I do that, it'll take me to the video I want to watch, and I'll press play and start watching the video. Remember, as you watch this video, you're also going to be taking notes. So be sure to pause and write down notes in your notebook as you go through the video. When we're done watching, we're going to go over each of your answers together on a separate video. Good luck!